Well, anybody that would give her the time of day at this point.
Hi, Rainbow. You did. That's because she likes me. I told her she was going to like me. It's going to rub. Okay. So, yes, Morgan. Moving of the hind end away from the bolsters. If you feel that that would be beneficial to your explanations. No, if you think that's what's broken, you take her away and you work on the thing that's broken. If you feel that that's what's broken, I'm not the one telling her to back up. Yeah, I'm not telling you one way or another. You're doing great. That's a nice start. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So give her some support with her shoulder. Yeah. You can step in there and push her shoulder over if you need. Yep. Good. So your backup doesn't appear to be broken. Go ahead and hind yield her. Let's see if her hind yield is broken. Nope, doesn't appear to be broken. Her sideways isn't broken either. So your confidence is the problem. Okay? So you need to have it visualized in your mind. And part of visualizing it is visualizing that you know she's going to struggle. We already know she's going to stand here and go, but those poles, and she's going to keep ditching it. So what you want to do is you want to have this clear image in your mind that she's going to back into these poles. The first step you get in here, you're in. You know what I mean? Like then it's fine. It's getting the first foot in there. So your goal is to get her first foot in there. So you're going to break it down for yourself into a smaller crumb, and then work from that crumb. So visualize. I only want to get her foot in there because you're already thinking the whole puzzle. Think 1 foot in these poles. However you want to get her over there, I don't care. The hunter is saying help. And she's in heat, so she's crankier. So what I would have done in that case, I would have exercised my hind heel instead of pulling her forward to me, just because that's what we're working on anyway. So I would have just asked her to do that, so we had it clear. Less micromanaging, more communication. Because pulling her toward you was you just positioning her. So that's a micromanagement. You saying your butt over there is a communication. Yeah? Good? So that's her way of saying, I really don't get what you're saying. Okay? So are you at a loss? You want me to help you? Help you? Okay. So I'm just going to show you what it kind of should look like in your body, and then you'd be back through poles. Hey, get off of me. Back, back. Good girl, good. So your little back up got a little broke. Your little back up got a little broke just now, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'll hook you up with some scratching. Okay. Back. Hey, hey. So see how that she did that with you and I didn't say anything, but see how she moved her head away? So you want to correct that and get her back focused with her head straight to you. I'm going to tell her, tail, I need her to. I'm going to keep the energy right now because she's arguing with me a little bit. Back. 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 It's crowded. Good. 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 Okay. Back. Good. Good. You're right. You're right. Okay. No, but I need you to add something to it. So move your hiney. Well, I was talking to you. Get out of my space. Good. Good. So my pause is enough because she's argumentative. Good. Good. So now I'm going to give her a break for a second, only because I need her to stay right there and not change it. Okay. Good. Good. Now wait. So I got to promise her I won't get her into trouble, right? So by continuing to let her back up because we're finally in there would have been the wrong thing to do. I got to promise her I won't get her into trouble and cause her to get all tangled up on that pole. So then, now we have to be careful with how much you turn. I don't know why you're not at all responding though. I know it's there. Why are you waiting for me to do that? I don't want to do that. Hey! Back. Don't come at me. Back. Serious? Back. Good. You're right. There you go. You're right. Good. So did you see how I knew she was right, even though we weren't there? So her legs got straight, her hind legs. Because her hind legs, if you seen, one was always kind of like pointed in the direction she was about to yield away to. So when her legs got straight, I knew she was planning to go straight. Okay? So that's why I was able to tell her, you're right, in the moment that she made that decision. And then she was able to go in there. So I wasn't going to do the whole thing for you, I was just going to help her understand. understand what we're trying to do. Cranky, cranky, cranky girl. What? Good. Yeah. Don't get her in trouble. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you can full on step in there because she was totally tuning me out. And as soon as her body shifts, stop, because she'll take that bigger step and we don't want to get her in trouble. Okay? So we'll quit if you can get her in there. Because we had different plans, and I think we're going to get cut short, so. Yep, yep. Okay, now, go from there, because she is offering you straight legs. Yep, yep, yep. Good. Don't get her in trouble, don't get her in trouble. Good. Good. Take her out and back her back in. She's like, it took me all this time to get in here. I want to know what you wanted me to do in here. Okay? Yep. You're still getting straight legs, but just don't get her in trouble. Yeah? Okay, don't get her in trouble. Oh, yep, you almost got it. She shifted. So you paused at the right time, because I would have paused then too. Step in there. A little bump on the nose towards you. Step in there. As soon as she shifts. Yep, good. Good. Now at least you got the message there. Yep. Good. Back. Yep, you got it. Good. Good girl. Okay. So we overcame something that she didn't understand, and then you were able to explain it to her. So we don't have to do any. We don't have to do a full puzzle. Good girl. She's like, after all that, you're kidding me, right? Lip. Cranky girl. Okay, hop on. Be kind of a quick warm up because we're gonna work on our canter, even though she's cranky. Did I see her step to the mounting block? Yeah, but she hasn't stepped over yet. Good girl. You say there too. Wow, you are country. I like when someone faces like that though. Okay. I see that. Good girl. Good. So all that's happening is she's misinterpreting your head cue as asking her to do these little slow walks, which is not, because then you know. Okay. So she's kind of doing her own thing, so kind of get her focusing a little bit on you. Okay, there you go. So we're going to try to get her to understand the head cue at the trot. We're going to do it briefly. As soon as you, when you get her into the trot, I want you to take contact on her face so that she knows you have contact, and then add your doodle. You can even say the word head, and then see if you get what you're looking for at the trot. Have you tried it at the trot yet? Okay. Good. Good. Good girl. So now what you're going to do is you're going to block her from bringing her head all the way down. I'm happy that she did that, but you're going to just stay in her way from going all the way down. And then you're going to go back to asking for her tuck her head. She thought about it. Thought about it there too. Good. There you go. Yep. 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 Keep going. She's going to try to stop by me. Good. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. So next time, keep going. Next time she gives you kind of a nice tuck like that, and she holds it, not resists you or plays kind of a little game of tug of war, go ahead and let her walk from there. Just thinking about it. Almost. Good, good. Here's good, sorry. Good, girl, good. Keep going. Oh, good, good, girl, good, girl. Good. So now she's responding to my good, although she's kind of finding it still. But, so you could, if you want, incorporate the word good so she knows, you know, that that's what you're looking for. Okay. Yeah. Nice, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll see if we can't ask her for a nice, light canter. Same thing, you're going to set her up so she thinks she's being told to do the head thing, but then you're going to ask her for the canter.
I'm still going to ask for her head chair gesture.
What's that?
I'm still going to ask for this head chair gesture.
She's probably a little too advanced for her right now, but you can see if she's willing to try it. It may get your evenness that you're looking for anyway, by accident. Once she understands it, she'll do it at all gates, no problem, but it's a little advanced for her right now. You know, now you want to explain to her it's two different things. So you want to get in her way if she goes all the way down. Don't let her bring her head past her, like the top of her, you know, like the bottom of her chest. Okay? Yep, it's okay. She's just confused. She thinks you're asking. Yep. Okay. Keep tapping her so she knows without asking her to break. So you're just going to ride the canter, keep the canter, but then there. Now let her walk. That's a nice canter you went through there. So that's something we have to fix. Yeah. We wanted her to break down to a jog. Are you up for doing some canter transitions to jogs? Because that's not healthy for either. It's not good for her back, it's not good for her legs, it's not good for her emotionally. That was nice, right? Well, we had a little chat before, so we're going to work on canter today. So you have to do it. Good. Okay. So you're going to sit. So you're riding the canter kind of in your upper body, but your lower body should just be going with her, right? But the canter, you should be giving her the feel in your upper body that we're cantering together, right? When you want to break her down to the jog, now you have to think jog. What does your body have to be like at a jog? You know that you have to be kind of tucked under you, and you want to ride it to where it's nice and smooth. So she's going to come and meet your body, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to break her right down to the trot, and then as fast as you can get her to the jog, and then release her so she knows that's what you were looking for. So you're going to kind of be strong in your block in that big breakout, and then as soon as she comes to the jog, you're going to release her, you're going to ride a few strides, and you're going to walk her. Then we're going to go ahead and go back into the canter and see if we can't get her to understand that kind of breakdown that we're looking for. No, it was her being confused. You probably had the contact that was communicating something to her, but she wasn't sure what she was supposed to do with it. We'll stay in the same direction because we want to fix it in this direction first. Now jog, think, jog, think, jog, sit, think, jog, think, jog, think, jog, think, jog, stay, jog, 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 all the way, get her jog, jog. Better than that. Good. Perfect. So now we're going to reward her. Now let her walk. So if you can, not just releasing from the rein, if you can actually even give her a little rub to let her know that that speed is what we were looking for when she gives it to you, okay? That's how I make good riders, is I teach the horses to be sour to me, and whether or not you have leadership on their back. Good girl. Good. Good. Think jog, think jog, think jog, think jog, 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 jogging your body, jog, 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 all the way till you got to jog. Yes. Oh. But now bring her back down to the jog because we want to get the emotion out of it. Rub her a little bit. Good. Jog again, a little bit better. A little bit slower, a little bit slower. Good. Ask her for the canter. Good. Transition. Jog. 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 Nice. Nice. Canter. Jog. 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 Don't let her go yet. There you go. Good. So she took the rein from you when she fell out. So you let her go. Jog. You're not jogging yet. You're not jogging yet. You're not jogging yet. Jog. Even slower. She's got a slow jog. We want her to think like almost break to a walk. There you go. There. Canter. Good. Jog. Better. Keep going. Canter. Nice transition. Jog. 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 Good. Canter. Nice. Jog. Getting better. So whatever strength you're needing to use to bring her to the jog from that full out, that's what you want to ask her for the jog from the canter. Okay, so you're going to use that same strength. Okay, so like, you know how you had to kind of get a hold of her to bring her down to the jog? Start your break that way. Okay? We're not going to go the other direction, because, or we may not even go the other direction at all. We're just going to master it this way. Strength to stop it? Yeah, because she's used to falling out. And that's part of why canter sucks for her, because she doesn't know how to come out of canter. So she comes out of the canter almost like flailing her legs. If you ever, you'll see, she comes out like, yeah. So when you plan, when I say jog, click in your mind, sit, hold. And then hold with the same intensity that you need to hold to get her down to that jog. Don't let her go until you've gotten that jog. Once you've gotten that jog, all you have to do is soften your hands. You don't have to give her, like let her fall apart. Just soften your hands so she knows she got it. A lot colder than I thought I was going to be. Goofy girl. So I would not ask for the canter first because she's anticipating. So I would jog first and say, well, I'm glad you thought that. That's not what we're going to do. Because you always want to say you're wrong because you don't want them to ever guess. So go ahead and establish your jog and then memorize your body, what it feels like, your ring contact, what it feels like during that jog, so that you can mimic that when you ask for the jog from the canter. Good girl. She's trying really hard now, too. Good girl. Okay, go ahead and ask for the jog. 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 There you go. Good. Good. Now, ask for the canter. Good. Now ask for the jog. Same thing, same thing. Good. Oop, good. Way better. Canter. Jog. Oh, way better. Canter. Jog. Awesome. We're going to quit there. Good girl. Go ahead and let her walk. Good girl. That was a lot, wasn't it? That was a lot, wasn't it? The one in the bowl. Good girl. You did a good job. Yes, you did a good job. You did. Because you're talking to her now. She's not just trying to figure it out, You didn't want to believe me, but I'm your friend. Yeah, well, I'm glad that you're starting to understand. People are talking to you now. That's good stuff. I get it. Okay. You can hand walk her just a little bit before you put that blanket on. I was just feeling how hot you were, silly.